So, if you want to win the money game, you've got to learn the rule and play the game. It's a game, and anyone that knows how to play can win, including you. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I grew $2,000 into a six-figure investment portfolio. Hello, if today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Umoren, your money coach. So let's jump straight into today's class. How did I grow $2,000 into a six-figure investment portfolio? In 2014, I immigrated to Canada on a full ride scholarship, and I came into Canada with just $2,000. Few days later, I went to a local bank to open a savings account, and I saved the money in the account. Fast forward that 6 years later, this $2,000 is still in the savings account. So over the span of the 6 years, the interest that I got was less than $20. And also during the span of 6 years, I managed to save a good chunk of money because I was also working. I think I managed to save about 25 grand. That's $25,000. I put the same $25,000 in the savings account. I was just getting about $30 or $40 on the $25,000 investment every month. But the moment that I set out to understand the money game and understand how money works, I literally moved my savings account into an investment portfolio which I managed myself, and within a short few months and years, I was able to multiply my investment to over $100,000. And here's the first lesson that I'm going to teach you today. To really build wealth, you've got to invest everything that you possibly can. I understand that investing can sometimes be overwhelming and confusing, and a lot of people did not grow up learning how investing works, including me. One of the major mistakes that a lot of people make is to delegate investing to somebody else, to another party. For example, delegating your investing to a financial advisor or going to the bank for them to invest for you. That is not a way for you to grow your money. If you go to the bank and tell them that you want to invest your money, they are definitely not going to give you the optimal advice possible, because again, banks are there to make money. So again, for you to win with money, you've got to understand the game, you have to understand the rule, and also to play it. If you don't do it yourself, you cannot learn how money works. You can't. Because again, the more you do it, the more you understand. One of the things that I always teach is for you to do it yourself, and also to have someone to coach you along the journey. Why do you need a money coach? A money coach is someone that is going to guide you and teach you and show you how it's done. You're going to do it yourself, but you're going to have someone right by your side teaching you how to do it, so that you don't fall into the same mistakes that other people fall into. If you are interested in learning how money works and how to start investing yourself, head into my website and book a free session to get started. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video valuable, go ahead, share it with your friend, share with your family. And until then, I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.